What's going on, guys? This is Drew Vidrev at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Porsche Panamera Platinum Edition. This vehicle is powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 with 325 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed PDK automatic transmission. So, Panamera's always been a very nice and classy vehicle. Really nice looking car, and a great daily driver from Porsche. It's like their sedan, so to speak, but it's honestly like doesn't really look like a sedan. It's always had like that hatchback look. So yeah, you have the Porsche, nice 3-spoke Porsche steering wheel, beautiful logo, paddle shifters, nice metal paddle shifters. And I made some videos on some more recent Porsche model years in the last 2 weeks, and I mentioned I preferred this interior setup over the new one where it's just all screens, because it looks like EVs. Like the 2024 Cayenne is all screens, which I don't like. I like having a fixed tachometer like this and having 2 screens there. This is a much more timeless interior. You do have a clock in here, which is cool. This one doesn't have Sport Chrono package. If it did, it would have like the more advanced looking clock, which can measure lap times and everything. You'd have like the drive mode selector over here. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, reverse camera, which is pretty poor resolution, typical Porsche, you know, camera quality. Put in sport, and you have 2 suspension settings for the sport mode. You have ventilated and heated seats in this vehicle. I'm going to turn off auto start stop before we get out on the road, because I do not like that feature at all. Where did I do that again? I forgot how to do that. I think it was over here. Whatever, that's fine, I'll figure it out later. But yeah, you can adjust the chassis height, extend the spoiler out, which we will do. Oh yeah, I can see it retracting from the rearview mirror. You also have 2 sunroofs in here, that's cool. 2 cup holders. And you can also charge your phone over here. And wearing a tag wire. Great combination with Porsche as always. But let's walk around the car and we'll drive it. You got this polished metal trim in here. You also have Bose sound system. Platinum Edition sill plate, which is cool. White exterior. Really nice looking Porsche wheels. Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. Good looking car. Very sporty looking. This is a good looking Panamera, that's for sure. Rear seats, they're a little bit cramped for sure, but it is cool how it has a screen for the rear passengers, and you also have the AC controls back there and heated seats, which is nice. I really like that. I would have a tough time fitting back there, but smaller people definitely could fit back there. And you have quad outlet exhausts, and I love the clear taillights. They look gorgeous. Porsche is one of the only brands that can pull off clear taillights like that. And here's the trunk. That's a lot of cargo. It's a hatchback, as I mentioned, so yeah, you have a lot of cargo space. That's awesome. You can fit so much stuff back here. That's practical. Very cool. That was not fixed properly, the little cargo cover. But yeah, the back of this car is gorgeous. It looks amazing. I love the quad exhausts. Let's get this Panamera Platinum Edition out on the road and see how it drives. Nice acceleration. Has pretty good speed. Transmission's obviously really fast. Man, steering is so wired. The steering feels amazing. It's so precise. Like right when I move the wheel, the car just goes exactly there. That's awesome. Very, very precise steering. I'm impressed with that. The seats are nice and comfortable too. Definitely a little bit on the sportier side, I can't lie, but they are still comfortable. But obviously on a Panamera, you probably would expect it to be on the sportier side. Like here's the deal, it is a luxury sedan, but Porsches are meant to have a more sportier appeal than like than other luxury vehicles. Porsche always is meant to be on the sportier side. You don't buy a Porsche to just sit around and not have any kind of driving enjoyment. That's what these cars are for. These cars are for driving enjoyment. Man, I am very impressed with this steering. It feels fantastic. Even in the sport mode and the sporty suspension settings, it still feels pretty comfortable, which is nice. I like that. Let's take a U-turn here. You know what? Let's just go for a little longer of a drive. This is a very classy vehicle. Like Panameras are just gorgeous. They're subtle, luxurious, and sporty looking at the same time. Like that's what I love about Porsches in general. Like Porsches just have a very understated and classy vibe, right? Unless if it's like a GT3 RS or something, like you know it's sporty, and you like it doesn't have to scream the fact that it's sporty. It just looks so stately and has a great vibe associated with it. That's why Porsche is my favorite brand, along with BMW, of course, but I think Porsche edges it out a little bit. Yeah, I'd say my favorite part about the driving dynamics on this car is the handling and steering. It's just so precise. It's like a video game. Like I just love it. Look how precise it is. It's just so responsive and perfectly dialed in. I love that. We've now returned to Grubb's Volvo, so let's wrap up today's video. I really like this 2022 Porsche Panamera Platinum Edition. Very beautiful car, nice driving experience, and as all Porsches are, it's very elegant. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice pre-owned Porsche vehicles like this one.